Yes, so this video is basically from Viet Lab. Okay, so Viet Lab is a department of engineering department, engineering consulting department, which will discuss with on various kind of engineering new kind of idea and project. I mean, how engineering industries can develop for future project and their upcoming industrial structures. Now, we know in India specifically, and even the countries of developing countries are talking about that we are in the water crisis, and water crisis is a problem of, you know, for human for future. But these things is really not make sense at the moment because we are in now top development position of technology, and we already did a lot of development in technology, and we have a highly science and technology at that moment. We have very qualified engineers in various departments, especially related to the engineering section. So based on that, we need to understand that in the world there was never ever water crisis was there. We are the human, we created water crisis to make ourselves profitable. But there is a basically we don't have any water crisis. Okay, so we have water, and we know that in the on the earth, in the world, in human life, we have one third water, right? Into third one third water than our land and soil. So we have much more water consumption on earth. But yes, but due to our industrial revolution, lot of garbage, our human social development, our human life, for daily life, daily need, we use those water land for our throwing garbage, our not just garbage from our daily needs, garbage from industrial section. It's make the maximum section of water polluted. And now you need to understand that when we're talking about the air pollution, water pollution, it is not just talking about drinking water, it is also talking about the water life. That maybe you will understand later, but here today we are not talking about the social sustainable growth or anything else. Here I'm talking about how we can solve our water crisis through our engineering department. So we need to bring in one new engineering course for them. It's called the water engineering course. Water engineering course will be give a chemical composition idea of water needs and how we can build a technology so we can purify any kind of water. Now we know that we have a sea, and sea is unlimited, right? So how we can produce drinking water from sea. So today I'm going to give an idea to you that how we can produce drinking water from sea. Now you can look here that we have feed water beach well. Okay, so we have some node there. We can set up those node on the sea, and this particular purification node will collect water through the pipe and it will bring to one module, okay, one system, and this particular system will process desalination. Desalination is a process by which we can separate salt and water. So when we are differentiating the salt and water with the process into this particular boil or boil jar, you can say, we are separating, and also here we can produce salt. So this particular process not just giving a purified water, also it giving dry salt. So those dry salt also we can use for different purposes, because we also know that we need salt for many purposes, right? It's called raw salt. This raw salt is not directly we can use for our eat purpose, for food purpose, but this raw salt can use for other many purposes. So we have to separate, is called the process called desalination. Desalination process, by desalination process we can separate this water and salt. When the salt will totally separated from water, and after that we not need to think so much, because the water which will coming through pipe from this particular jar or the containment where we store our water, then we will use lot of other machine, a lot of other infector machineries to eliminate and kill all the viruses, all the bacteria and all the pathogens present in water. And we can purify this water, which is normally we know that it's this kind of machinery is already present in our technical system, and we use those technical system in our home water purifier, right? In house water purifier, basically we use those kind of tactic, like sometimes we can say carboning technique. We use gravitational technique to kill many much more bacteria and viruses present in water, right? So that we can purify, but we need to different the salt, we need to separate the salt from water, and that we will do by this particular process. So this particular process will give a unlimited water. Today we are telling that we need to save water to save our life, but I say now we need to develop our engineering section. We have to build a new kind of industry for water resources, and it will be the upcoming industry for the future, the revolution which is already coming. And this pandemic is basically giving an indication that revolution has occurred right now. And this revolution will start with Viet. Viet already did a revolution, and it is already has started, and it will capture all the area, right? So here also the industry will be the Viet Lab, and Viet Lab is giving this idea to every industry that how can they develop now a new industry, and industry will be a water industry. But remember, we are focusing, we will build this industry not to build a price system in the water. We will provide this water free of cost to every single individual door, because if we charge water, we are charging the life. Water is alive and it is unlimited, given by the God or creator. We should not charge water. Water should be free for every single individual on the earth. We have unlimited water on the sea. We just need a technology. So we have to build a new kind of engineering course. We have to build a new kind of engineering department. We have to bring new kind of system in our education system on specific on the water engineering system. We need different kind of professors, we need different kind of lecturers, we need different kind of courses, training courses, practical project courses, and we need a different mindset. So we need to think that when we are providing food, the water is also basic right of every single individual on the earth, so we have to do it, and I hope we will do. And so this is the video from Viet Lab. Viet Lab is a major unit under Viet, and this department is totally engineering department. A lot of engineering section is here, but here today I am giving a new course idea. It's called water engineering course, which will be the upcoming engineering, one of the major engineering course for the upcoming students. So from now we can make a different kind of engineering course for all the students to bring this new engineering course, water engineering course. Thank you very much for this video, for your watching. Thank you.